In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test whether your brand, product, or service shows up across major AI and search platforms. The goal of this process is simple. You want to see how visible your business really is when people search for solutions in your space. This helps you understand not only whether your brand is being discovered, but also how it compares to competitors and what information these platforms are using. Start by choosing the specific brand, product, or service you want to test. Try to be clear and consistent here because you'll be using the same focus across every platform. If your business offers several things, test them one at a time so your results stay organized and easier to compare. Next, open Google and search for keywords related to that brand or offer. Use the kinds of phrases a potential customer would naturally type in when looking for a solution, not just your company name. This gives you a realistic picture of how visible you are in standard search and what kind of competition appears alongside you. After that, open ChatGPT and ask similar discovery style questions. Keep your prompts close to the Google searches you just used so the comparison is fair. For example, instead of only asking for your brand directly, ask broader questions that a customer might use when researching options, recommendations, or best providers in your category. Then repeat the same test in Gemini and Claude. The important thing here is consistency. Ask the same or very similar questions in each platform so you can compare the results more accurately. Small wording changes can affect answers, so staying aligned gives you a cleaner test. As you go, record whether your brand appears in the answers. This is a key part of the process because memory can be unreliable when you're checking multiple tools. Write down where your brand shows up, how prominently it appears, and whether it is mentioned as a main recommendation or only in passing. Also, pay close attention to the sources, websites, or competitors mentioned in the responses. This can reveal what information these systems seem to trust and which brands are currently owning visibility in your space. Once you've gathered everything, compare the results across all platforms. Look for patterns. Maybe your brand appears in Google but not in AI tools, or maybe one platform mentions competitors more often than the others. Finally, use those gaps to improve your website, your content, and the mentions of your brand across the web. Focus on what seems to be missing, unclear, or underrepresented. That way, you're not guessing what to improve. You're using real visibility data to guide your next steps.